Every day, India's financial ecosystem, banks, NBFCs and insurers run on millions of voice conversations. Each one shapes a decision, a relationship or a regulation. But when these interactions are handled manually, insight gets lost. Compliance is at risk and efficiency takes a back seat. That's why leading BFSI enterprises are turning to MIHUP's Voice AI platform to automate, assist, and analyze conversations end to end. Let's see how MIHUP helps BFSI enterprises across 3 stages, from the first customer hello to the final audit insight. Whether it's answering customer queries, resolving FAQs, reminding them about payments, or sharing new product offers, every routine interaction is handled seamlessly by MIHUP's voice agent. It manages both inbound and outbound interactions instantly in natural multilingual speech across voice channels customers already use. No waiting time, no human dependency. With 24/7 availability and support for regional languages, MIHUP's voice agent automates routine interactions and keeps operations always on, reducing manual call volumes by up to 40% and improving first contact resolution by 30%. When in live calls, agents need support, MIHUP steps in as a real-time assistant. The Agent Assist module listens to the ongoing conversation, providing live prompts, compliance alerts, and next best recommendations. It helps agents respond accurately, maintain empathy, and ensure compliance, cutting error rates by 25% and improving resolution speed by 20%. Once the conversation ends, MIHUP's interaction analytics gets to work, automatically auditing 100% of calls. It identifies patterns, flags escalation risks, and shows which agents need coaching. Quality teams gain complete visibility, discovering why some collections succeed, where compliance gaps arise, and how to coach for improvement. Leading BFSI clients have seen up to 20% improvement in collections, 95% fewer regulatory complaints, and 100% QA coverage, all powered by MIHUP Voice AI. From automating customer interactions to empowering agents and uncovering deep insights, MIHUP helps financial enterprises transform every conversation into measurable business outcomes. MIHUP, the Voice AI platform for enterprises. Visit mihup.ai to know more.